Okay, everyone, so yeah, I'm on my account and you cannot hear my random Pete person that has joined my myth game. I don't know why you can't hear them. It's not like letting you hear them. Let me just ask my friend how to make it where you can hear them. So yeah, how do you make it where you can hear them? What button do you press, friend? Okay, this is probably gonna hurt my ears, but okay. Please never again. Or I swear to God, I will like rip off my headphones. Oh, I'm already recording. You're hurting my ears. That's for hurting my ears. That's for hurting my ears. That's for hurting my ears. Don't you dare. Nope. Ain't happening. You're not cool. My ears! Well, after that experience, guys, my ears are in very much pain. And I hope this never happens again. Okay, goodbye.